Number 1. 1969 Chevrolet C20 Custom Camper, $2,750, Paynes Creek, California. This 1969 Chevrolet C20 Custom Camper is an affordable, heavy-duty classic truck, powered by a 396 cubic inch big block V8 with a 4-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. The engine starts easily and runs well, with a new battery and spark plugs installed. The clutch and transmission operate properly. The truck is largely original and includes a no-spin rear axle. It shows age-related wear such as dings, dents, roof rust, and corrosion on the floorboards, doors, and fenders. The bed was converted to a dump configuration, though functionality is unverified and the lights are not working. It comes with a clean title and 44,672 miles on a rolled-over odometer, making it suitable for restoration or farm use at an attractive price point. Number 2. 1984 Dodge Step-Side Pickup Project, $2,500, Santa, California. This 1984 Dodge D-Series step-side pickup is offered as a non-running project. Equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive truck presents a solid, straight body. The black paint and classic step-side bed reflect distinctive 1980s Dodge styling. Its lien sale paperwork replaces a standard clear title. With approximately 100,000 miles showing, it offers a budget-friendly foundation for restoration or a custom build. For buyers familiar with title resolution and mechanical recommissioning, it presents solid potential at a modest price. Number 3. 1989 Ford F-150 for $1,000, Timnath, Colorado. This 1989 Ford F-150 is a mechanically refreshed, rust-free Colorado truck with a clean title and 250,000 miles. Powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive platform has over $1,000 invested in preventative maintenance during the past 2 years. Major work includes a brake system overhaul, new shocks, radiator hose replacements, cooling service, transmission service, steering gearbox replacement, and front suspension components. These updates enhance reliability and drivability. Described as ready to drive, it represents dependable classic truck ownership at a reasonable price. Number 4. 1989 Ford F-250 Flatbed, $6,000, Lewiston, Idaho. This low-mileage 1989 Ford F-250 shows 48,620 miles and presents as a clean two-wheel drive work truck. Equipped with a V8 gasoline engine and manual transmission, it features a heavy-duty flatbed with toolboxes and a trailer brake controller, making it suitable for practical towing use. The brown exterior is straight with minor fading, and the interior is described as excellent. A muffler replacement is needed due to a cold rattle, but it runs strong and dependable. With a clean title and exceptional mileage, it is an appealing late 1980s heavy-duty Ford. Number 5. 1969 Ford F-350 Dually Dump Truck, $7,000, San Diego, California. This 1969 Ford F-350 is a dual rear-wheel flatbed dump truck powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission with granny low gear. The power takeoff, operated dump bed is functional for work use. It runs and drives with an upgraded electronic distributor and heavy-duty spark plug wires installed about a year ago. Tires have ample tread, and the chrome bumper remains straight. Cosmetic rust is present, consistent with its working history. With a clean California title valid through next year and plates through May 2027, this short bed dually remains a practical vintage workhorse. Number 6. 1986 Toyota Pickup, $4,800, San Juan Capistrano, California. The 1986 Toyota Pickup is powered by a 2.4L four-cylinder engine with a manual transmission. With 230,000 miles, it reportedly runs strong and passes emissions testing. Known for long-term durability, this San Juan Capistrano, California, example at $4,800 offers dependable classic utility. Number 7. 1984 Ford F-150 two-wheel drive, $2,000, Muckleo, Washington. This 1984 Ford F-150 is equipped with an inline six-cylinder engine and four-speed manual transmission featuring a low granny gear. Odometer rollover is noted. With good tires and a recent battery replacement, it is suitable for farm or project use. Priced at $2,000 in Muckleo, Washington, it is a budget-friendly classic work truck. Number 8. 1988 Dodge DW150 four-wheel drive, $8,800, Gresham, Oregon. The 1988 Dodge DW150 comes from the final era of Dodge's traditional square body styling before the 1990s redesign. Powered by a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this four-wheel drive example shows 65,460 miles, with an odometer rollover noted. Recent mechanical improvements include updates to the cooling and charging systems, new gaskets and filters, refreshed interior trim, and preparation for snow traction tires. Although it carries a salvage title, the documented investment in parts reflects consistent upkeep. Priced at $8,800 in Gresham, Oregon, it offers an affordable entry into a classic four-wheel drive platform. Number 9. 1976 Ford F-100 XLT, $7,500, Santa Maria, California. This 1976 Ford F-100 XLT retains its original blue paint and is equipped with a 360 cubic inch V8 backed by a C6 automatic transmission. Recent service includes fuel system components, cooling system maintenance, new belts, and a replacement battery. Minor rust is visible around the windshield area. However, the body remains largely solid. As part of the 6th generation F-Series lineup, the XLT trim added comfort and upgraded interior details. At $7,500 in Santa Maria, California, this truck stands out as a practical vintage driver with authentic character. Number 10. 1958 GMC 3/4 ton pickup, $13,200, Douglas, Arizona. The 1958 GMC 100 has been carefully modified with 1974 Chevrolet Nova suspension, differential, and front clip components to enhance ride quality and handling. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a turbohydromatic 350 automatic transmission and features power steering and power brakes. The chassis has been shortened and fitted with a 1959 Chevrolet Apache front end, blending classic late 1950s styling with improved drivability. Offered at $13,200 in Douglas, Arizona, this Restomod delivers vintage appeal combined with more modern mechanical performance suited for regular road use. Number 11. 1964 Ford Ranchero, $6,900, Turlock, California. This 1964 Ford Ranchero features the 200 cubic inch 3.3L inline-six engine paired with a manual transmission. With 59,841 miles and a clean title, it presents as a survivor vehicle, showcasing authentic patina rather than restoration. The Ranchero blends passenger car comfort with pickup practicality, a formula that made it unique in the 1960s American market. The exterior was described as honest and earned, appealing to enthusiasts who value originality over restored finishes. As a solid, character-rich classic with documented ownership paperwork in hand, it represents a stylish and usable vintage utility coupe. Number 12. 1969 Chevrolet C-Series 3/4 ton, $10,000, Clarkston, Washington. This 1969 Chevrolet C-Series 3/4 ton fleetside is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and a manual transmission. Finished in orange with visible patina, it retains original plates and presents as a solid survivor. The VIN confirms assembly in Flint, Michigan, and its two-wheel drive, 3/4 ton configuration. With 75,798 miles and a clean title, it provides a strong base for restoration, Restomod, or agricultural use. A hood hinge issue is noted. Its heavy-duty rating and classic late 1960s Chevrolet styling add collector appeal. Number 13. 1966 Ford F F-100 Custom Cab, $15,000, Laveria, Texas. This 1966 Ford F-100 Custom Cab is approximately 95% original in Wimbledon white with beige patina. Powered by a numbers-matching 352 cubic inch V8 and a rebuilt C6 automatic transmission, it combines originality with refreshed mechanics. Built in October 1965 and reportedly garage-kept in North Dakota, it features factory power steering and power brakes. The original AM radio functions, and the bedside toolbox is rust-free. With 105,000 miles on a rolled-over odometer and the clean title, it represents a desirable mid-1960s Ford pickup. Number 14. 1979 Datsun 620 King Cab, $13,500. Indio, California. This 1979 Datsun 620 King Cab pickup is powered by a 2.0L four-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Showing 83,464 miles and finished in white with a clean title, it represents one of the most iconic compact Japanese trucks of the late 1970s. Notably, this truck is a multiple car show trophy winner, including Best Datsun Truck at the 2019 Japanese Classic Car Show in Long Beach. The extended King Cab configuration provides added practicality and comfort. With rising collector interest in vintage Japanese pickups, this well-recognized example stands as both a reliable driver and a show-quality classic. Number 15. 1967 Chevrolet C10 Original Short Bed, $14,900. Phoenix, Arizona. This 1967 Chevrolet C10 is a factory original short bed, not a converted long bed. Powered by a 283 cubic inch V8 and a 3-speed column-shifted manual transmission, it runs and drives well. Recent work includes new brakes and a booster, and it has been properly lowered while remaining functional. Lights, gauges, and wipers operate. The body shows natural patina with some rust. With a clean title, this first-year C10 holds strong collector interest.